Most people think investing is for the wealthy. For people with thousands of dollars sitting around. For people who wear suits and read financial reports over morning coffee. But what if I told you, you can start investing today? Right now. With just $10, not 10,000. Not even 100. $10. The price of a takeaway meal. A couple of coffees. A streaming subscription you forgot you had. The truth is, the biggest barrier to investing is not money. It is the belief that you do not have enough to begin. That belief has kept millions of people on the sidelines, watching wealth grow for others, while their own cash slowly loses value sitting in a savings account. Today, that changes. Here is exactly how to start investing with just $10, and why starting small is not a weakness. It is actually your greatest advantage. Why starting early beats starting big. Here is the most powerful idea in all of personal finance. It is called compound interest, and Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here is how it works. You invest $10. It earns a return. Next period, you earn a return on your original $10, plus the return from before. Then that grows. And grows. And grows. Time is the engine. Money is just the fuel. Someone who invests $50 a month starting at age 22 will almost always end up wealthier than someone who invests $500 a month starting at 40. The early investor did not have more money. They had more time. Every single day you wait is a day you hand over to someone else. Starting with $10 today is infinitely better than waiting for the perfect moment with $1,000, because that moment never comes. Step 1. Micro-investing apps. So where does your $10 actually go? Let us start with the simplest entry point, micro-investing apps. Platforms like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood allow you to begin investing with as little as $1. They are designed specifically for beginners. Clean interfaces. No complicated jargon. No minimum balance requirements that lock out regular people. Acorns, for example, rounds up your everyday purchases and automatically invests the spare change. Buy a coffee for $3.50, the extra 50 cents goes into your investment portfolio. Painless. Automatic. Consistent. Stash lets you buy fractional shares, meaning you do not need to afford a full share of Amazon or Apple. You buy a slice. A small piece. And that piece grows with the company. These apps make investing feel less like a financial decision and more like a habit. And habits